Today we're featuring a 2015 Buick Encore. It's got 36,000 miles on it. It's carbon black in color. It still has some factory warranty left on it as well. Let's go ahead and give you the walk around of the vehicle. Got the turn signals in the mirrors. Nice chrome door handles. The driver's side of the vehicle is in good shape. It is equipped with the rear backup camera. Make our way down the passenger side of the vehicle. Everything looks good. The exterior of this vehicle is well taken care of. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Got the black on black door panels. Nice wood grain trim piece through here. Power locks, power windows. Alright. It does have black cloth seating. The leather trim. Driver's seat's in good shape. It does come with the keyless entry key fob. Passenger seat is in good condition. Automatic. There's your climate control area. AM/FM CD player. Alright, and your backup camera and display will be right there, and I'll show you that in a second. Leather wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, steering wheel audio controls. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 36,422 miles on it. We've got it started. Go ahead and show your home screen on the display here. Alright, go ahead and engage backup camera. Alright, you have the AC on since we started it up here, and everything's blowing nice and cold there, no problems. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat and your storage area. Alright, back seat cloth looks good. Same setup back here. It's got the cloth, insert in the leather trim. Alright. Does have the cup holders that flip down. Carpet back here looks good. Give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Everything looks good back here. It's got the nice sunshade that comes down when it closes. Spare tire back there. Very nice vehicle. It's well taken care of inside and out. Go ahead and take a look at the wheels and tires at 18-inch alloys. Alright, tires are good, still plenty of tread left on them. Alright, once again, so 2015 Buick Encore, 36,000 miles on it, still under factory warranty. It's been well taken care of inside and out. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.